Hello everyone. I have recently installed the latest version of Gimp 2.10.22 and I installed the mathmap add-in, which was supposed to be showing under the generic folder here, and it's not. Let me show you how to make this work. First of all, you need to download the utility, the mathmap, from this site. For Windows, it's the version 1.3.5, which is supposed to be working with the older versions of Gimp, the version 2.6 actually. After installation, it creates a folder structure under the user profile under the Gimp 2.6. The Gimp installation on Windows 10 creates a different folder structure under the user profile under App Data Roaming Gimp 2.10. This is where we need to move the mathmap files. First of all, the mathmap folder goes here. You see it down here. And we need the plugins. We move them from here. Here. Let's try this. Let's create a new file. And here it is. Enjoy.